see what might be wrong here.
Yeah,
I need a magnet for this.
okay. A magnet for that?
Oh, shit.
Here, I can get you another one.
So the door ran into the water heater, right?
Broke that little small knob off in there. But the thing is, I guess I just left it wherever it was at, right?
Yeah.
But we needed to turn it down.
Oh, okay, so it was working.
Yeah, it was working. This what it broke. So I never could adjust the
Yeah, you're screwed without that.
yeah. But I remembered you from the
yeah, from the other one.
from the other one, yeah. And guess what? I actually pulled look.
Pulled out your
You know, one of the, but this is a Honeywell though.
No, that one won't work.
No, it wouldn't work. But the thing was, when I had a hot water heater and the tank busted, I field stripped that bad boy. You know, just in case.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting into my business.
No, only for me.
Yeah.
But this.
Oh shit! You gotta be careful when you put those covers on, because you can bend these prongs.
Yeah, I see.
If I snap this one off, I gotta change the valve. Hopefully we'll be okay. It's a little bit loose, but it's alright. I got another valve. But I don't want to go that deep.
And they had women for, oh, you know what I'm talking about, I had some women tenants, and this cold shower, thanks for the prison shower. I'm like, hey, look, ain't nothing I can do.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing we can do. Oh, so you needed to turn it up?
Needed to turn it back on. I believe, I'm hoping that it went off, you know, like when it rained that one particular day. I don't know, actually, it was yesterday? Yesterday they told me. So it never went off before. But it wasn't no water leaking, so I'm assuming that it didn't blow up. You know what I mean? It, you know, it didn't pop or anything. So I'm assuming that the pilot light went out.
Yeah, hard to say. But it was hanging in this precarious position when it went out?
I turned around and I pulled it apart. Trying to see what was connected, you know, what was this button connected to. That was me.
I got you. Yeah. So when you pull the covers off,
yeah,
what I do is I get up under. There's a screw right here that holds it on.
Okay.
And you take that screw out and you slide the screwdriver between the cover and the valve, and you kind of work it off slowly.
Okay. Well, I had never.
When you forced it back,
I did it this way.
You bent. Yeah, you bent the.
Yeah.
You bent the prong.
Yeah.
But hopefully that ground is still connected, because that's a ground. I got another valve. I mean, if I gotta change the valve, I gotta. Is the gas on?
No.
Oh, okay.
Everything should.
Yeah, I tried to kind of. And then when you put it back on, you kind of.
Yes,
I messed up.
I messed it.
That's okay.
Yeah, I didn't just. I had look.
That's your first time doing it.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I knew when to stop. I said, Battle, hey, Dave, I need my man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I said, because I didn't want to tear no more prongs up, you know, and you'd have told me, oh,
yeah,
man.
So there's 3 prongs coming off the valve.
Yeah.
One's a ground at the bottom, and then one's for the pilot, and one's for the burner. And if any of those prongs snap
because
off,
it didn't make no sense to have to change this whole damn thing on something that I figured you had to. Here she go.
There we go. So it was too hot or too cold?
It was too hot. This thing has been hot for way too hot.
Okay.
So
I'll put it here. This is hot. You can't see it because of the paint.
That's okay.
This is just hot.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, that's the first one.
Yeah, there's low. So it's between low and then there's A, B, C, and very hot. So
Okay,
I got you down there.
Okay, well I tell you what, I got the old cover,
Okay.
and I can always read
Yeah.
the old cover.
Yeah, you can read the old cover.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah, that'll tell me right there.
Woo.
What I owe you, my friend?
Oh, that's $60 for that.
Okay,
Yeah, $60.
okay,
Thanks, man.
thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
I just didn't feel like having to put a, because the
You
guy.
you might have been able to get that, because this is just held on with a spring. You might have been able to pop that thing. You might have been able to pop that little red thing off of there and worked it out and popped it on here. But I hear you.
No,
Once
I
you're
just
in,
want to turn around and, hey, how do you
Yeah,
say,
you just
sometimes,
you just wanna
let me
work
see where
it.
my cover at. I got it here.
Where did I give it to you? Oh, it's right here.
Here it is.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, just put that back on. Yep, that's the sound I want to hear, hot water. That way I ain't have to listen to these women no more. Yeah, rent here, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I've been to this house before. I guess so. All right,
And what
yeah.
I'll do is I'll make sure I protect this now.
Yeah, I would put like a governor on
Yeah, on the
the. You
door.
know, one of those little things.
But what happened is,
You could adjust.
we've been trying to get the door. You know how I know how it got damaged.
Oh,
The door doesn't open all the way. Look how they installed this thing.
yeah, it should be further back.
Yeah, it should have been farther back. Somebody hard, you know,
Mhm.
just
yeah, hard piped it.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, what can you do?
And I was just trying to avoid that. For I said, man,
Yeah.
by the time you solder, do all this stuff, get another heater, put it in here. You get one from him. It's about this damn big. It's almost.
Yeah.
You understand? So
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this heater.
no,
This is a good heater. It's still under warranty.
yeah,
So you could have just pretended it was leaking, poured a cup of water into
Yeah.
the base of it or something.
yeah.
and
Understand? Yeah.
Walked into Home Depot, they'd have given you another one. So, all right, cool.
Thank you.
All right, man. You're welcome. We'll let you
Here,
keep
you want
that.
to come this way?
Yeah, I'll go that way. I gotta go drop off a water heater for
Okay.
somebody. Well, good seeing
Cool.
you again.
It's good, man. Okay.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
I had your number, didn't I?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I got you in my phone. So I'll send you a text message or something.
Send me a text message.
Yeah, I'll send you a text. And that
All right.
way you can just...
That way I make sure I can lock you down, because sometimes people ask me, you understand what I'm talking
Oh, yeah.
about?
Yeah,
I know
that's-
someone that can come in and look at it, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. As long as it's not leaking, like, clearly... it can be leaking from, like, the supply lines or the... the temperature pressure relief valve, but
Well, one thing
if it's leaking from the base, it's shot.
Well, one thing I did not have, and that's that particular cover for that particular model.
Yeah.
So I was SOL anyway.
Oh, yeah, you would have been, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
so that's-
popping that one
That's
on
what people, I figured you would have had it, because I knew you had the different styles when you went to your cup.
Yeah, I got just about everything.
Yeah, so thank you again.
All right, man.
have a
Hey,
good
you
one.
got it. All right, see you. Have a good night. All right, so doing a quick service call. The door opened into the water heater due to the placement of the water heater and broke the knob off the cover. Then the owner tried to force the cover off from the top and severely bent the there's like a prong coming out of there and severely bent the ground prong, but I was able to straighten it back out while it was still connected. It was loose. But got the replacement cover on there. That cover's off of like an A.O.Smith, but it accepts the chamber sensor, which you want to keep. And yeah, just a couple of screws and in and out in 5 minutes. And we're on to the next one.